Magnitude 5.1 earthquake, depth 10 kilometers, strikes southern Iran on the 27th of May, 2025. Earthquake subject to change. Iran, also known as Persia and officially as the Islamic Republic of Iran, is a country in West Asia. It is bordered by Iraq and Turkey to the west, Azerbaijan and Armenia to the northwest, the Caspian Sea and Turkmenistan to the north, Afghanistan and Pakistan to the east, and the Gulf of Oman and the Persian Gulf to the south. Earthquake Info Credit, EMSC. Thank you for watching.